This is liquidity narrative. Here we don't predict the market, we just mapped out the liquidity and let the price do the rest. The actual reason for this channel is structure. Each week we mapped where liquidity resides, and then we identify high time frame narratives, and we show exactly, probably on the lower time frame, precisely where we are looking at for trade. And at the end of the week, we do what we call accountability review. That's weekly review. So we can actually say this is not a signal service. No, it's not a signal service. It's not predictions and it's not hype. It is a structured market understanding, and it's better than any other thing you can think of. So having said that, let's go over to the chart and show you exactly what we are saying. Charts. This is British pound USD. Let's take a look at this weekly time frame chart. The first question you will ask yourself is you identify the highs, which can be equal highs, equal lows. So, but we identify the highs on this market. This we can look at this. This is a high. This is a high. This is a low. I'm trying to demarcate this. Assume we've not seen the zone. So let's remove the zone from our charts. Before now, so the question is, this is the high, this is the low, this is the range we are trading, this is where the market is. The question you're going to ask yourself is, where lies the liquidity? Where is the price going to be trading to? That's narrative. You're trying to figure out that area because we've identified the range, and then we've identified the external liquidity, identified the external liquidity, which is the up and the down. Then if we drive on the lower time frame, first remember that liquidity resides here, liquidity resides here, liquidity resides here. Then if we drop now on the daily time frame, which we are going to do, this is our daily time frame. Let's figure out those area that we've outlined. Yeah, this is the area we outline. This is where we said liquidity resides. We know that liquidity resides and price probably is coming here. As price starts to go down on this level, which is here, liquidity has been taken here. It has run out liquidity on this level. We now know that it suggests that the short-term bullish outflow, we are still within the weekly range, remember? So as you can see on the lower time frame, as price actually dropped into that zone, as you can see, this is also the price dropping into the zone. You can see how huge the price dropped down. The question you have to ask yourself, has it swept out liquidity even on the lower time frame? Yes, this is our key area of interest. Then price dropped down and suddenly price swept out liquidity here. Then the next question, was there a displacement? This, as you can see, there was a displacement. That's when you begin to think about what your entry zone is or what your entry context is. And then maybe you put in mind what's the time frame. This is truly price action, no indicator required, but you can see everything happens just the way we describe it. This is just exactly what we are trying to explain. So this is actually to say that every week we follow the same structure. Sundays we map liquidity. Within the week we assess the reactions of what we've said and see what happens and what did not work. Fridays we do what we call accountability review on the execution objective. And so that's to say, if you're looking for signal, this is not for you. But if you are building structural understanding, welcome to Liquidity Narrative. This channel is for you and it will help you so well. Thank you.